Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I am going to talk about the basic editing tools of the CyberLink Power Director smartphone app. What you see now is the welcome screen of the CyberLink Power Director app where you have to select Create a new project to start editing. After selecting that option, a pop-up box will appear where you have to set a name for your project and select the aspect ratio. Once done selecting the aspect ratio, you will be taken to the import media from where you can select your desired footages that you want to edit. Since I am making a tutorial video, I will be selecting a random video to work on from my gallery. From the media browser, you have to select and drag your video file to the timeline. Once the video is placed in the timeline, press the back button at the top left corner. There is a side panel on the left side where you will find Home, Import Media, Layer, Undo and the Redo options. Slide on the timeline to check if your video was imported successfully. Now, select the footage to start editing. In the bottom, a slider will appear from where you can select different tools to edit your footage. The split tool will help you to remove unnecessary parts and make necessary cuts to the footage. To use this tool, place the blue marker from where you want to start cutting your video and then select the split tool. After that, slide to your desired endpoint and then select the split tool again. Now select the clip that you want to remove and then tap on the trash can icon on the left. The in and out point of the selected clip can also be dragged to further trim it. Remember, you can always use the undo button if you feel that you have made any mistakes. To navigate the timeline, we can pinch the screen to zoom in and out. On this app, we can also add B-rolls and titles to our footage. To add them, select the layer icon from the left side panel. A dialog box appears on top from where we can select text, video, image, and clip art options. We can select videos from our own gallery or choose a video from the stock video options of the app. Drag the selected video to the first layer in your timeline. The video can be repositioned and resized according to your preferences. For text, you can select the font styles available in the app or you can also download more. Here also you can select and then drag the text box in the timeline. Click on the text box to write your text. You can resize and reposition it as well. Now press on the play button to see your work progress. Hello everyone. In this tutorial video, we are going to see how to use the Filmic Pro. Remember, you can always undo or press delete if you have made any mistakes. We can also add music from the Import Media section. Drag the music from the import browser to your timeline. For this tutorial video, I am going to trim my video to keep it the same length as my audio file. The audio can also be trimmed by dragging the in and out bars. The tools provide options such as filters, adjustments, effects, and many other options that will allow you to make changes to the video. By dragging the square reticle, you can set your autofocus in your desired area. And by dragging the circular reticle in the audio configuration dialog box, you can fade in and fade out your audio. There is also an audio mixing option where you can separately control the audio levels of different layers. In this app, you can also move a cut portion from your footage to any extent of your timeline. You can also reset to default settings if you. You can also set the white balance manually. To exit from this menu, tap outside. In the top right corner, there is an export media option by which you can share your file in different media platforms or even save it in your gallery. Before saving, select your video resolution, storage location, and the frame rate. Then simply tap produce and that will save your file. That was all from me. Thank you all for watching the tutorial.